Good morning, class. Today we will start chapter number 2, Exponents and Power. In this chapter, we will study about rational numbers with exponent at positive and negative integers, law of exponents, extension of law of exponents, and use of exponents to express small and big numbers in standard form. Okay, understand? So, positive integral exponent of a rational number. In first exercise, we will study about positive integrals exponent of a rational number. So, the rational number multiplied with itself a number of times can be written as the rational number raised to the power a natural number equal to the number of times the rational number is multiplied itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 9, 2 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 9 can be written as 2 is 4 times and 9 is also 4 times. So, we will write here 2 upon 9, the power is 4, and it is read as 2 upon 9 raised to the power 4. Okay, understand? Here 2 upon 9 is called the base and 4 is called the exponent or index, or we also call that power. Okay, understand? We define the positive integral exponent power of a rational number as under: let a be any positive rational number with n as any integer, then a b is power is n. So we will write here a upon b in n times. So we will write here a raised to power n and b raised to power n. Okay, understand? Now let's start exercise 2.1. So, question number first, express each of the following in power notation. We will express these following questions in power notation. So, here we will write 2 in 3 times and 7 is also 3 times. So, we will write here minus 2 upon 7 power raised to 3. Okay, understand? Now, see the next one, 3 upon 11. This is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means its power is 5. So, we will write here 3 upon 11 power raised to 5. Okay, understand? We will solve these following questions in power notation form. Okay, now this term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means its power is 7. So, we will write here P upon Q power raised to 7. Okay, understand? Now, see question number 4. Here x upon 3 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means its power is 7. So, we will write here x by 3 power raised to 7. Okay, understand? Here minus 7 upon y multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we will write here minus 7 upon y power raised to 4. Okay, and here last question is minus 3 upon 8. And it is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we will write here minus 3 upon 8 power raised to 4. Okay, understand? Now, question number 2. Express each of the following powers of rational number as a rational number. Now, the powers are given and we have to find the rational numbers. Okay, so how it is found? We will solve this power notation. So, question number first. Minus 2 upon 5 and power raised to 2. Okay, so solve this question. Power raised to 2. So, we will multiply 2 upon 5 2 times. So, minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5. So, what should we get? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, we will get positive 4. And 5 multiplied by 5, we will get 25. So, this is the rational number. Find by minus 2 upon 5 power raised to 2. Okay, now solve question number 2. Minus 1 upon 3 power raised to 5. So, it means minus 3 upon 5. We will write 5 times. So, write here minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. Write 5 times this term. Okay. Now, multiply this. 1 multiply 1, we will get positive 1. Then positive 1 multiplied with negative 1, we will get negative 1. Then negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, we will get positive 1. And this positive 1 multiplied by negative 1, so we will get negative 1. So we will write here negative 1 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 multiplied by 5 times. So what should come? We will write here 243. Okay, understand? If we multiply 3 5 times, we will get 243. Understand? Now see question number 3. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, understand? Now solve this term. 4 by 5 we will write 3 times. So we will write 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So multiply that term. We will get, if we multiply 4 3 times, we will get 64. And if we multiply 5 3 times, it means the cube of 4 and cube of 5. So the cube of 4 is 64 and the cube of 5 is 125. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the remaining 2 questions you can solve from this question number 2. Okay, now see question number 3. Express each of the following rational number in power notation. Now we have to express the following rational numbers in power notation. So how it is represented? So question number first is minus 125 and 729. Okay, so we know that 125 is the cube of 5 and 729 is the cube of 9. So we will write it easily. It means 5 upon 9 is the power raised to 3. This is the power notation of 125 and 729. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. Question number 2. 1 upon 64. Solution. So 1 write as it is, and this 64. This 64 is the power of 2 by 2 6 times. So we will, if we multiply 2 6 times, we will get 64. So we will multiply, we will write here 1 upon 2 power raised to 6. Okay, now question number 3. 16 upon 25. Write in power notation. So 4 is the square of 16 is the square of 4 and 5 is the square of 5. So we will write here 4 upon 5 raised to power 2. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve. See question number 4. Evaluate 4 upon 9 power minus 5. Here the power is given in negative term. So how it is solved? See question number 4. Question number first. 4 upon 9 multiplied by power raised to minus 5. So how it is solved? First of all, we will make the power positive, then solve this question. So for making the power positive, we will write in opposite terms. So we will write here 9 upon 4, the power raised to 5. Okay, if we make numerator denominator and denominator numerator, so we will write the power in positive terms. So write this term in 5 times 9 multiplied by 4, 9 upon 4, 9 upon 4. We will write this term in 5 times because the power is 5. So if we multiplied 9 5 times, what should we get? We get 59049. And if we multiply 4 5 times, so what should we get? We get 1024. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. Next question is 3 by 7 power raised to minus 2. This is also negative power. So we will make 7 upon 3 and the power is 2. Okay, we will change the numerator and denominator of this term to make the power positive. Now solve this. 7 multiplied by 3, sorry 7 upon 3 and 7 upon 3. Multiply this, 7 sevens are 49 and 3 threes are 9. So we will make the rational number from 3 upon 7 power raised to minus 2. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve. See question number 5th. 8 upon 13 power raised to 0. So we will see this 0 एज एन एक्सपोनेंट. अगर 0 पावर रही तो हम उसे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? इफ़ ए एंड बी एनी रेशनल नंबर देन इफ़ ए बी पावर रेज टू 0 वी विल गेट 1. इफ एनी इंटीजर हैव पावर 0 वी विल गेट 1. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस. Here a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 13 and power raised to 0. So we will write here 1. Okay, if any integer or any number have power 0 we will write 1. So 2 and 2 by 3 power raised to 0. So we will write here 1. Here if we multiply this term, the power raise is also 0 in both the terms. So we will write here 1. This question we will also write 1 because power raised to 0. So if any integer or any number have power 0 we will write 1. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions we can solve in next video. Thank you.